All right, now for this question 6, a rectangular piece of paper, this piece of paper is folded along this line, the dotted lines, and this dotted line to form this figure here. Okay, so let us take a look at what the information is given first. Okay, now they tell you A, B, C, D, and D, F, G, they are both rectangles. All right, next, triangle A, D, G, this one, and triangle B, C, H, they are identical. So I am going to put a tick like this to show that they are identical. Okay, now next, the area of rectangle ABCD is 96 square centimeters. So I'm going to put in 96 square centimeter here. So I'm putting all the information I know. All right, next, the area of rectangle ABCD, this one, is 3 times the area of triangle BCH. So this is 3 units. And then BCH is 1 unit. Okay, so the length of GF is 5 cm. So GF is 5 cm. All right, and then you're supposed to find the length of BH. BH is here, question mark. And then you also want to find the area of the whole rectangular paper, this whole thing here, which you need the length and the breadth. All right, now before we get to solving this, so we got to ask ourselves first, what can I find first? So the easiest would probably be because I know this is 3 units, then I would know this is 1 unit. So that would be to find this triangle. So 3 units is 96 square centimeter. 1 unit would be 96 divided by 3, and that would be 32 square centimeter. So I can fill in this is 32 square centimeter. So since these two are the same, so this is also 32 square centimeter as well. Okay, next. I know that this part was folded down from here, this chunk here. Okay, so if I were to redraw this, I'm going to move the triangle back up. So this triangle came from here, so I'm going to use the dotted line to show you. So, sorry. This would be the dotted line. Okay, so this triangle was folded in from here. Okay, we just have it, I'll put it here. Okay, and then this rectangle came from this side here because it was folded down this way. Okay, so it's a flipping way this way like that. So when I flip it this way, this piece will come from here itself. All right, so I'm going to continue tracing out to form the original one so you can see. Okay, so this was folded down here and this went down to here. Okay, so you form this new shape here. So I want to let you know that this is actually the same as this one here. Okay, of course, a long line was with this, and then this one, this blue one, is the same as this one here. So if this is 32 square centimeter, then this will be 32 square centimeter as well. Okay, and if this is 5 cm, then here, this would also be 5 cm. Okay. All right, next. I will also know that this was folded upwards to get to this. So originally, it will look like this. This would be the original look that went upwards this way. Okay, so this will also be 32 square centimeter as well. All right, so I'm done with all this. Okay, and then you're gonna start thinking about, how do I actually solve this question? Okay, can you see that this line here and this line here, because this came down to here, so this and this line is actually the same. So if they are the same, what can you conclude about this? This is actually a square. This is actually a square. Okay, so I'm going to take 32 times 2. That will be 64 square centimeter. So since I know this whole square is 64 square centimeter, and I know square, area of square, I'm going to show it up, yeah. Area of square is actually length times length. And then it gives me 64 square centimeter. Okay, so I need to find two numbers and multiply to give me 64 square centimeter. So this would be the length. So the answer would be 8 times 8. Okay, so I know the 8 is actually the length. So this is 8 cm. Okay, and then I also know that this will be 8 cm as well. Okay, and because these two are the same, so on this side, this will also be 8 cm too, because there's two triangle and these two, they are the same. Okay, so I already found BH for you. So BH is actually 8 cm from this. Based on what I found here, I know this is 8 cm. All right, now next, I would know that this is 8 cm, right? Then ignoring the two pink ones, what you are seeing here is actually a full rectangle. Can you see? And a full rectangle is made up of 64, 64, and a 96. So I'm going to put it together. I'm going to take 64 plus 64 plus 96. Okay, 64 plus 64 is 128. So 128 plus 96 is actually 224 square centimeter. Okay, 224 square centimeter for this rectangle here. Okay, and since I know here this is 8 cm, I'll be able to take the entire area divided by 8 cm to give me the length here. All right, so I'm going to take 224 divided by 8, and 224 divided by 8 would be 28 cm. So I would know that this whole thing here, this whole stretch here, is actually 28 cm. Okay, they want to find the area of the whole rectangle itself. And I would know that this is 5 cm, 8 cm, 28 cm, 8 cm. And I know that this is actually 8 cm. So area of the rectangle will be, the whole length itself would be 28 plus 5. The big rectangle, this whole rectangle itself, would be my 28 plus the 5 cm. So this whole chunk would be 28 plus 5, which is 33 cm. Okay, and here I already know this is 8 cm. So the area of the whole rectangle will be 33 times 8. And that would be 244 square centimeter. That's it for part B. Okay, so part A, the answer BH is 8 cm. Part B, the answer is 244. All right, that's it.